Yeah, hello, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to reply to anyone that mention you in their story. If they tag your account in their story, you can automatically reply them on Instagram. So what you need to do is to come to this boot manager, then you make sure this one is on Instagram, then you come to action buttons, you click on action buttons, you click on story mention template. If someone mention you in their story, this is how you can see. This is story mention, this is story mention template. You can do this. Thanks for mentioning me in your story. You can now ask the person to check out your, this is a post back. You can select a post back. Now what does this post back mean? Now it means you have some flow before, in that you have built in Loomsuite before. So you click like this, you select a post back, you now click, you select the button, at which you want them to click. You can say check it out, then you select the post back, then you click done. So whenever anyone mention you in their story, this is going to be your response. It will lead them to this flow. But let's delete this flow and create, let's assume we don't have a flow to link to. So thanks for mentioning in our story. Please check out, you can now say please check out our products below. Then you can come up with your products. Let me see. So you can then link the flow with quick reply. This quick reply is a kind of button at which when they press it like this, it will automatically reply them. So you link this one. Let's assume you want to showcase 3 of your products. I drag this next to this now. It's telling me no, they are not compatible. So it means I need to drag this quick reply. Let me drag this quick reply and put, you can see it's showing another one. You can decide to delete this one or you can add another one. So I want to put 3 quick reply because we have 3 categories of products I want them to see. You can see. So let me double click this and put a post back, new post back, product 1. You name it your product, maybe wristwatch, and again new post back. Let me draw another, delete. Let me draw this new post back again because this one can only connect to a new post back. So I named this product 2, new post back again, PRO DUCT product 2. I click done. I double click on this again. I click this. I say new post back. It will automatically give me the post back product 3. So your own might be men's watch, women's watch, or the category of your product. So now you have put in product 1, 2, 3. The next thing, you can put carousel to showcase your product. The next is going to be carousel. You can see it. Then you put your product in all these. Product 1, maybe they are men's shirts and you have different men's shirts. Product 2, you can put a carousel also. Carousel, you connect it with this. Product 3 maybe is just one single product. The third product is just one single product. You can just put an image. You can put an image. Let me draw this up here. You can put an image. Delete this. Let me draw this up here. You can put an image, and then next, if you draw this and release it like this, it will, let me zoom in. Let me delete this. I'll show you what I did again. If you draw this like this and release it, it will show you what you can connect to this flow. So click on image. Sorry, this is an image. Let's click on where our the link to sell the product. You can then click on text. You can click on text. You can put the image of your product here, and you put the text here, and you put inside this text, you put a link that is going to be directed to your WhatsApp or your sales page. So let me click rearrange so that I can rearrange everything. You can see it's rearranged everything for me. Then you come to this one by one. You come and this post back, you give the post back a name, you give it a title, you choose a label. Anybody that click on this post back, this one, product 1, product 2, product 3, they will be post back. They will be button inside your inside the messenger. So if anyone click it, or in your DM, if anyone click it, is going to reply with this. If they click this product 1, it's going to reply with this. You can name this as product 1 post back. You can choose a label. If this product 1 are men's wear, women's wear or something, you can add a label like this. Just type and click next. It will automatically select the label and create it for you. You can see. So this is how to do it. So then you fill this your first product 1 post back. This is the post back of the product 2. This is the post back of the product 3. You fill in your carousel. If you double click your carousel, so if this is for product 1, this is the carousel. So you click it. You know, carousel, it will come with it can be 3, it can be 4. You know, you are going to be the person will be able to scroll with the image display in the messenger. So if you double click this, you have the image, you can use the image link, you put the title of the product, and you put the subtitle. This subtitle can be price. So then you go to this carousel will be linked to this. It will be linked to this. So you can decide to say this carousel is going to be linked to a web URL where the person will be able to order for your product. You just put the button here, order now. It might also be a post back. It might be a web URL. It might be email. Maybe you want to collect email. It might be anything you want. But in this case, let's put URL. Then you put your web URL here. Let me copy a web link. I copy a web link and I put here. So this product now, let me explain again. This product 1 now is men's wear. The first category of menswear, maybe the first menswear, you have different type. So this is the first one. You put the image here. The second one, you put the image here. The third one, you put the image here. If you feel that you have only 2, you can delete 1. You can delete this and leave 2. If you have 4 of it, you can draw more and put 4. Draw more. Even if you have 5, you can draw more and put. Let me draw again. You can see. So if the arrangement, if you don't like the arrangement, you can rearrange here. So all these carousel, they didn't lead to anywhere, so you can draw this and the button will come up and you will fill the button. So I think with this explanation, you should be able to link your products and send to anyone that mention you in their story on Instagram. So you can also use this flow chart now. You can use this flow now for anything. You can use it for keyword reply. And let me show you where you can add sequence. Sequence are messages as which if anyone clicks on your post back, I explained that all these post back, so if someone click on it, this will be the reply. This carousel will be the reply. Now this, if anyone clicks on this now, you want to let me delete some of this. Let me delete this carousel so that you will get this thing clearly, because it will take you like 4 to 6 weeks to study this thing very well and to be able to use it properly. So if anyone click on this product one post back now, you can send them a sequence message. You can see it, when I draw this, the sequence message show up. You just click here, new sequence, you put the name, you select the start time and the end time, you put the time zone, you click done. Then you put this sequence now is not promotional and it should be daily. No, sorry, not promotional. It should be promotional and it should be 24 hours. Let me click. Facebook don't allow you to send message to your user after 24 hours. So if they click within 24 hours, you should be able to send message to them. 1 minute after they click, 5 minutes after they click, 15 minutes after they click, 30 minutes after they click, 45 minutes after they click, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours till 23 hours. You can decide to the first one you can send 15 minutes after they click. So this is the message that will go out 15 minutes after they click. This one 24 hours again, select 4 hours after they click. Again this, you double click this again, you select 24 hours and you click maybe 23 hours after they click, you click again. Then you fill this post back. So you put the title, anything you want. You can say 15 minutes after clicking. Then you make sure you put the name of the flow. Maybe it is story mention. Story mention. This is just for you to identify the post back. You can see it here. Then you click next. What exactly is the message you want to send to them after 15 minutes? Are you sending a text, a carousel, or image, or e-commerce, or whatever? You can put text as the message you are sending to them, and you can add quick reply to the text. Quick reply again, it means when they click again, another message with this quick reply is like a post back to when they click, it will, you can see it leads to new post back. You can draw this and just leave it, or you draw new post back from here and you link it up. So you fill this one again. So you need to like take your time to study this. You can use, instead of quick, after sending the text, instead of a quick reply, you can use text and put your website URL here. You can write up something. It's been 10 minutes or it's been 15 minutes, you log in into our website or you see our product. Why have you till order yet? I have a 15% discount for you. I have a 5% discount. Then you put the discount, you give them the discount code. You give them your website to go and order for your product, or you lead them back to your WhatsApp. So that is how you will be able to set up sequence message, and it should be within 24 hours at which they click your post back. This your quick reply is called post back. You can see the news post back here. so it will be 24 hours before they click it. So you can just play with this thing, and you go to your Instagram account, use another Instagram account to test it with keyword. You can test it with keyword. Let me see if, let's assume you set this thing up now. Let me now see if keyword we should be able to. Let me see keyword trigger. Yes. So you can say testing story mention. The reason why I'm putting this keyword trigger, so that I will be able to test the story mention. Sorry, this is too much. You can just say test story, STORY. Test story is the keyword you use to test this flow. You now click done. So you go to your Instagram account that you created this thing for. You log out of the Instagram account. You now log in into another Instagram account to test the flow. You now send this keyword to the DM of the Instagram account. So this flow will come up and you'll be able to test it and see how it works. So this is how to reply anyone that mention you in their story. Thank you, and I will see you in another video.